Hi friends, I am Prasanna. In this video, you're going to see the problem of the day on 7th May at VIT. The problem question is smash the potatoes. So what is that? First read this question, pause the video, and try to solve the question. The test case is given over here, and the output is 1. And you can read this fully, and you can also form your own test cases. And yeah, check it up and then come over here, right? So first try the question, then come to my video. Pause it, try it, then come here. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to start the solution. Okay. First let's understand the question. It says that we have a collection of potatoes and each potato has a positive integer weight. Okay. Potatoes will have a positive integer weight only. And what we are going to do is that take the heaviest two potatoes and smash them together. And if the weights are x and y respectively, if both are equal, both are getting destroyed and nothing is being happened. I mean, both are getting destroyed. And if they're not equal, the heavier one survives and reduces its weight by x. That is the lowest, I mean the lightest potato when they both are smashed. So after doing this repeatedly, only one potato remains, or even none of the potatoes remains. At the last smash, both can be of equal weights, and none of the potatoes can survive. So this is what should you find. At the end, the weight of the one potato left, or print 0 if none of them are left. Yeah, these cases are given over here, and now we should start coding. Okay, battery is low. It's okay. First, the number of inputs given as a potatoes, and second, you should form a list of potatoes and get the input of the n potatoes. So element is equal to of input, then we should append it to the potatoes. To the potatoes, what we should do it? Element. Okay. So now that we have got the inputs are over. So now we should do the coding part. Okay. So what we are doing is that each turn means it's a iterative loop. We smash the two potatoes, heaviest potatoes. So what do we do that? We can smash the potatoes until and unless there are two potatoes, at least minimum two potatoes in the list. So we iterated through a while loop, while length of the potatoes is greater than 2 and greater than 1. What do? We sort the list and we sort the list in the reverse order so that we get the first two elements are the heaviest and the second heaviest element, second heaviest potatoes. Let us name it as a potato 1. This is the second potato. Good. So now that we have got two potatoes, we should remove them from the list, right? This potatoes list, we should remove these potatoes. And then we should make some process, then only we should add the resultant weight to the potatoes. So now we should remove. And for removing, if length of the potato list is greater than 2, then we can just slice it. So potatoes is equal to potatoes of 2 till the end. If these two are the only potatoes left in the list, then else potato becomes an empty list, right? So we have taken the potatoes out of the list now, and we should compare them. If A is not equal to B, A is greater than B because that is the heaviest potato. then we should append the heaviest potatoes weight reduced amount of B, because it gets damaged and destroyed with an amount of B, and the B potato actually totally gets destroyed, so nothing to add. Okay, so if A is not equal to B, then we should append the subtracted weight. So after this, everything gets iterated till the length of the potatoes are greater than 1, number of potatoes greater than 1. Then we come out of the loop, and then if length of the potatoes list is equal to 1, mean only one potato survives at the end, then we should print its weight, potato of 0. If none survives, then we should print 0. I guess this code will work out. Getting the integer, okay, getting the number of elements, creating a list, appending the elements into a list, and creating it, yeah, fine, through till the only one potato is left, and I mean, sorting out in its descending order, taking out the first two potatoes and comparing them, and then appending the resultant to the potatoes list. If A equal to B, we need to append nothing, because both of them get destroyed. Only 0 is there. 0 should not be necessarily appended. And if length of the potatoes is equal to 1, means only one potato survives, we should print the weight of the potato. If none of them survives, we should print 0, because it's given over here. Let's run it. Some error is there. Okay, spelling mistake. Sorry. PPEND. Yeah, success. Your code has passed all the test cases. Great, guys. So now that on 7th May we have finished the problem of the day of VIT. If you have any doubts, feel free to type it out in the comment. I will clarify every doubts of each of every one of you at the next video nearest possible. Actually, it has been some long time since I have posted a video. That is because of the recorder problem. I didn't get a proper recorder until now, and now I got a good recorder. It's called the OBS recorder, and it's totally working fine. So yeah, happy coding. Meet you in the next video. Do subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, share the video. Thanks and bye.